Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boss Hannes came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Walk one, peeps. Are we there with another
brand new banger?
Walk one, peeps. Yeah, man. Happy Friday, man. Trouble time, trouble time, trouble time in backyard settings. Prank call. That me I don't know, youth. Stop playing with me here, youth. I make some phone call. Change up my voice and go on with that bug of things. Yeah. Yeah. So, but you see, before we get to the video, I want to like up the thing there, yeah?
Bruh.
Subscribe. And them thing there. Go tell your friend, tell your other friend. You see it? Yeah. So I'm ready to give some trouble? Going on eat right now, you know. Trouble time, trouble time, trouble time. Oh, good afternoon. This Majestic restaurant, huh?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Question, you have black menu? For do you have black menu?
Black menu?
Yeah.
What do you mean black menu?
Oh, special order for people in Japan.
If you take order for people in Japan?
No, special order for people.
Special order?
Yeah.
Depends on what you would like your special order.
Oh, okay. Me love you know frog, junker, alligator, things like that. Stew.
No, we don't.
Oh, so you tell me. So what? Me tourist from Japan. Me no eat traditional things. Me like junker batia, like crocodile and tiger. You know have nothing like that. How come you Japan restaurant and you don't have that? Because we in Japanese we eat roach, bullfrog, all kind of stuff. You don't have that? Hello? 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 Me call a while ago. Why you hang up phone?
I wasn't the one that answered the phone.
Oh, well, other lady don't have no manners. Me call on phone and she hang up phone on me customer.
Oh!
Me call and ask about menu. What?
Would you like to order?
Yeah, I wanted to order, but she hang up phone on me. Backside. That's how you deal with customer on phone. Me simply ask question if you do store at she gonna hang up phone on me.
Then I hung up the phone fell out of her hand and it dropped.
A phone fell out of hand. Me fool, eh? You tell me fool, eh?
What are you speaking about?
Me ask her if you do roast tiger or crocodile.
And the phone fell out of her hand and the phone fell on the floor.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
What do
you mean by that?
You're speaking a language I don't understand.
Yeah, so cause me upset. You take bad mouth off. Yeah, don't let me get mad, you know. So, if me come up there, you know, all you in trouble.
Boy!
Cause me simple ask about tiger and rat. Cause I know some place they are black menu.
What?
I know about stores. Some store they have black menu for people in Japan. We order like tiger, bullfoot or bullfrog or something else.
We don't do nothing of that sort here.
So how come you China restaurant and you not have jankobati?
This is not a Chinese restaurant, this is a Japanese.
Same thing.
No,
Me upset, you know. Me upset, you know. Backside. Me want to talk to manager now. Hello.
Wait till you see the.
Oh, good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Sawyer. This Gen Care massage parlor place, right?
Pardon?
This is Gen Care massage place, right?
Yes, it is.
Oh, you do full body massage, huh?
Yes, I do.
Oh, me can't ask personal question, you know. Please no load up, eh? You know, You know sell front and massage like a nothing like that. You know do full body car. Me want full body, you know.
I'm not understanding what you're saying.
Oh, me ask if you do full body and like side service, like me buy. You know do that too? Like massage parlor. Miss, can I ask you a question, miss?
Sure, go ahead.
Miss, one day, just want to say something to you, miss. Not too long ago, miss, I go in my mother and my father room, and I see, miss, my mother, at on top of my father and foot there between his head or something. Miss, what them I do? Me no know, me shock, me just want to call somebody and talk to them, miss. It's what them I do.
What happened to your mother?
Miss, me go in a room, miss, and me see, and me see my mother head between my father head and them make sound. And it me go, miss, me just want to call somebody, miss, because I'm in a shock. Me wonder if I kill him, I kill him.
Not to worry, they're married?
Me them probably married or so, miss, but miss no peace come from my father head there and pee. So me don't know what my mother check for them and make sound or something like that, miss. I'm afraid. What me fi do, miss? Miss, Miss, I first time me see them one time come in my room, me see them father jump like him a joke something, pant up and mum. Me no know what I'm a do. Is what this, miss? Hello? Hello, miss?
Hello, who's this?
My name Sean.
From?
Me no remember. I think Dwayne Palm come from.
Where the park you come from?
Yeah, miss.
Oh, so how may I help you?
Miss, me no know, me just want to talk to some, but just want to call somebody and talk to them, miss, cause
You just want to call somebody and talk to
yeah,
them?
me come frightened because I'm going on my mom, me and my mother and my father room, and me see like mother head, me see my mother between my father foot and him I go I'm shocked. Me no know if I kill him or kill mother, but miss, when mother head do that so car, no peace come from, miss, me no know if it I'm confused.
Alright, just calm down. Everybody's alright though.
Me no know, me come out of the room,
Go back inside. When it happened a while ago?
Yes, like a while ago, me no know if you do me some more. Me just call somebody, cause my father phone me thief and make a phone call. Me no know, miss, me wonder if I rape mother and father or something. Me no know them I go
Oh!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil, cause it real and you're not miss a maker.